How to turn off activity status on TikTok. You can turn off your activity status in just a few taps. First, open TikTok on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Activity Status. Tap on Activity Status and you will see different options like Public, Friends, and No One. Then tap on No One. Once tapped, other users won't be able to see when you're active or when you were last online. Keep in mind that when you turn off activity status, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other users. The change takes effect immediately, and no additional confirmation is required. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your activity status on TikTok and increased your privacy. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok privacy tips, tricks, and how-to guides.